Hello friends. After their ocean adventure, Kia and Amy followed a mysterious path, and guess where they arrived? A beautiful jungle. The jungle is full of amazing animals ready to help us learn the table of 3. Are you ready for a jungle math adventure? Let's begin. Kia looked up and saw 3 playful monkeys swinging on a branch. Amy said, "Look Kia. 3 monkeys. 3 times 1 equals 3. One group of 3 makes 3. Suddenly 3 parrots flew in, and 3 more joined them. Kia counted, 3 times 2 equals 6. 2 groups of 3 parrots make 6. Near a jungle pond, they saw 3 frogs jumping. Then 3 more, and 3 more. Amy laughed, 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 groups of frogs make 9. Next they saw tiger cubs playing in groups. Kia counted carefully, 3 times 4 equals 12. 4 groups of 3 make 12. Kia and Amy went into the jungle and saw banana bunches. Each bunch had 3 bananas. There were 5 bunches, so they counted, 3 times 5 equals 15. They saw bird nests in the jungle. Each nest had 3 eggs. There were 6 nests. So, 3 eggs times 6 nests equals 18 eggs. 3 times 6 equals 18. They saw iguanas resting on rocks in the jungle. Each rock had 3 iguanas. There were 7 rocks. So, 3 iguanas times 7 rocks equals 21 iguanas. 3 times 7 equals 21. They saw 8 plants. Each plant has 3 fruits. 3 fruits times 8 plants equals 24 fruits. 3 times 8 equals 24. They saw 9 bundles of bamboo stick. Each bundle has 3 sticks. 3 sticks times 9 bundle equals 27 sticks, so 3 times 9 equals 27. They saw a tree with 10 branches and each branch has 3 ants. 3 ants times 10 branches equals 30 ants. 3 times 10 equals 30. Wow, what a fun jungle journey. Kia and Amy learned that table of 3 means counting in 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Kia clapped happily. We counted fruits, bamboo, and even ants. Amy smiled. Yes, groups of 3 make learning so easy and fun. If you enjoyed this jungle adventure, like and subscribe. But wait, what is that shining in the distance? As Kia and Amy walk out of the jungle, they see a beautiful sparkling castle glowing in pink and gold. Kia whispers, "Is that a princess castle?" Amy says, "I think magic numbers are waiting for us there."